Since 1976, Westerner Seat Covers has been the go-to brand in the custom seat cover market. Our seat covers are utilized in a multitude of applications, from delivery trucks in Toronto to mining for diamonds in the Arctic. Exclusively manufactured in Calgary, Canada, every cover is hand-designed and takes over 300 hours to perfect. Using only the highest quality fabrics that have been proven for over 40 years, our seat covers are then traced, marked, hand-cut, and sewn together by our master seamstresses. After assembly, they receive a rigorous inspection to ensure the highest level of workmanship and quality. They are then carefully packaged and sealed, ready to be shipped. Start to finish, we always guarantee an outstanding product that is competitively priced. We are the industry standard for fit, finish, and durability. There is no need to go anywhere else. You've found the best in the business.